SolarWinds Smart Start is an assisted onboarding program designed to help you with your SolarWinds implementation. It's a great way to save time getting your product installed or upgraded. With Smart Start, you can have direct access to onboarding specialists who can help you with the installation and initial configuration of your products. They'll work with you to get the full value out of your products quickly. If you're new to SolarWinds or if you've inherited an existing solution, Smart Start can save you weeks of implementation time. And if you already have a SolarWinds product installed, Smart Start can help you upgrade from any supported version to the most recent version. Smart Start is a great choice if you'd like to learn best practices from a guide who understands the process inside and out, or if you're not sure which options are right for your organizations, or maybe you're just not taking advantages of all the new capabilities and recent updates and want to learn how to get the most out of your investment. Once you've purchased Smart Start, program specialists will be in touch to schedule a welcome call, and in that call, you'll be introduced to the person who'll be working with you on your installation or upgrade. And together, you'll form an implementation plan, decide which product features interest you, and determine a time frame that works best for your organization. From there, you'll set up future calls to go over the specifics of getting your environment up and running. We'll help you align with SolarWinds best practices and provide you with that one-on-one guidance specific to your needs. In the end, we'll verify that you feel confident in your product configuration before closing the engagement. We won't be happy unless you're happy. If you're looking for even higher levels of support, such as service level guidelines, annual health checks, or upgrade planning, then you may want to consider Premier Support. And for customers with large global operations or complex environments, Premier Enterprise Support is an excellent choice. Get your environment up and running quickly with SolarWinds Smart Start program. Visit the Customer Success Center to learn more.